Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
What's going on, Hey Squad? Here with another video, and in today's video we are here at the Ferrari dealer in Central Florida, and I'm getting my car fixed because it has a busted window because of the heat down here, and I shuttered the driver's side door and the window cracked, so we're up here getting it fixed. But they got a Radical here, they got a Mazda SP2 and 1 and a LaFerrari and a bunch of other cars, so you can check it out. Here's the Mazda SP1. You guys seen this in my last video when I was here. So cool. Mazda SP1. So cool, so cool. They got a red one and they got a black one as well. And they got it parked right next to the LaFerrari. And you guys can see it's pouring outside. That's a great duo right there. SP1 and the LaFerrari. So cool. And here they got a Radical prototype. That's what the interior looks like. And it's powered by Ford, which you guys can see there, EcoBoost. This is actually my second time seeing a prototype race car. You guys stay tuned for the 12-hour Sebring, and it's coming up a couple weeks, so you guys should be expecting a video on that. But this is the closest I ever been to one. That's so cool. And here they got the Mazda SP2. Still got plastic on the seats, carbon fiber, paddle shifts. So cool. That's so neat. Ferrari Monza SP2. So they have the SP1 and the SP2 here. That's so cool. And it's what makes it rare is seeing this car in black. I never thought this car would be in black, but here it is. So cool. They got a couple $599s here. I love the color. I love the spec on this car. I like it with the black wheels with the yellow calipers. That's super cool. This Porsche here, GT2 RS. Love the spec on this thing too. Has a red seating. Even has red on the steering wheel to match. So cool. GT2 RS with the black wheels with the yellow calipers again. That's so cool. And that's carbon fiber as well. Absolutely love the spec of this car. It's so cool. And the price is $350,000. So if you guys are looking for a Porsche, here you go. Full carbon fiber, and it's got the red stitching and all that red in the interior. Super clean. I don't really want to go out there because it's super wet and raining. But right there is a Ferrari F8. Here they got a GTC4 Lusso V8, and it's for sale for $302,000. Kind of reminds me of an F12. But that white is so cool. Making it right next to the Ferrari sign right there on the wall. Super clean. What about that being a thumbnail, guys? That's super cool. They got this older Ferrari here. I love the blue. 05 Ferrari Super American F1A. They want $224,000 for this car. Get an interior. They got the tan interior. So clean. For how old that car is, being 2005, that is so clean. Absolutely love it. Check this out, guys. The glare. But the 1974 Ferrari 246 Devo GTS. Check this out, guys. I love old exotic cars, especially Ferraris and Lamborghinis. But that is super cool. Guys, check this out. Ferrari Pista 488. Customer vehicle. One lucky guy owns this car. I love that spec. Love the wheels. Love the calipers. Matching red stitching in the seats. So cool. Carbon fiber. That thing is awesome. Check this out, guys. A 360 Madonia convertible Spider. I love these cars. What's better than parking right next to a Pista? Convertible. That is so cool. Maybe one day this car will be on the channel. Maybe one day. Alright guys, at the end of the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All Hicks Boys Media. And stay tuned, because when I get home, I'm going to go over why I'm here, what happened to my car. And it's getting fixed. Same with the Duramax. That truck just got fixed. I'm going to explain everything that I've done to that truck. Alright guys, we are back home from Orlando in Central Florida Ferrari. And I'm going to explain what they did to the Maserati and what we are doing with the LMM Duramax. And we're going to start it off with what we're doing to the LMM Duramax. And this truck was recently in the shop. It got new calipers, new brakes, new hoses, and another part side of the axle that the other place didn't fix, because this tire, this garbage can, but this tire right here, you can really sit there. They put it on the lift, and you can take your hands and it'll go like, you can wiggle it just like that. So it was on the verge of breaking. So thank God we got it fixed. Everything's good now. It drives and handles. The steering is perfect again. We recently had this out at a truck meet this weekend. And this truck's going in the shop tomorrow because I ordered some new airbags for the rear. I'm getting an airlift. I already have the compressor in the front, which is good for like 300-400 psi. And in the rear, I'm putting airlift bags in the back, so I can raise and lower the rear end of the truck. And I'm going to have it all hooked up to a compressor in the cab. So that's what we're doing with this. And then we're going to sand down, and we're going to hand paint, and we're going to do all this together, all this in my own garage here. So I'm not going to pay anybody to powder coat. I'm not going to pay anybody to sandblast. I'm going to do it all by myself. And that's the Duramax build. Now for the Maserati. What happened to that? Because that's the most expensive thing we have in the garage. And I was at a grocery store picking up some things for dinner one night. And opened the door, shut the door, and the window cracked. But I did all this. I opened the door, came in the car, sat in the car, shut the door, and it cracked from here all the way down to here. It was, this whole window was just cracked. The dealership said, thank God for this window tint we had done like a month ago or something like that, that it held all the glass together. They said when they took it apart to put the new window in, they took it apart, and then the window just shattered. It just shattered in their hands. So yeah, they did a good job on it. I don't see any problems with the window tint. I don't see any problems or anything else. So they did a good job on it. So I'm happy. that's about the only thing that's happened to this car. So that's why I was at the Ferrari dealer. And those SP1s and those SP2, that was amazing. But yeah, that's the reason why I was at the Ferrari dealer, because the Maserati door window cracked. But I am really very pumped, and I'm really looking forward to the build on this beast. And I cannot wait till that is done. And for you guys that haven't seen under the hood of the Duramax yet, well, here it is. It's a fully built LMM Duramax. We got a single, let's see if I can zoom in. It doesn't want to focus, but I got a single 75mm gurnet. We got the Banks powered cold air intake, which we're planning on doing some more things with this truck. We might put twin turbos on it, because this truck recently had twin turbos on it. And if you guys notice here, this is where the hood stack used to go. Right here, when this truck used to pull, this truck used to have has a hood stack to it. So maybe we'll go back to pulling. I don't know, guys, but I'm thinking of making it a street truck. I think that'd be a lot more funner than a truck and tractor pull, because I don't think they have a lot of those down here in Florida. So that's the motor on the truck, and there's a lot more updates we're going to be doing to this truck. So I am super pumped, super excited, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like and comment and subscribe. And I cannot wait till this is done. Hey guys, we're here to do some shout outs. I'm doing this once a month where everybody can get a shout out of their truck. And first person, his name is Pat Crawford. He has an 05 Duramax, and his Instagram is 05_2500HD_Silverado. And I'll be putting pictures of people's trucks up, and the picture of his truck could be up right now. And the next one is Caleb Payne, and he has a Tahoe, and his Instagram is that_Flossie_ho. Pretty sweet looking Tahoe. I love it, man. Sweet build. And his picture of his Tahoe will be popping up right now. And the next one is Jake, and his Instagram is OneSlowLMM. That is one sweet looking picture, man. My man, that thing is sweet. Love to meet up with you and take some pictures of our LMM with your truck, man. That thing looks sweet. Picture will be coming up of his truck now. And Michael Moser, and his Instagram is Michael Moser18, and he's got a Dodge Ram with some nice chrome wheels, Ram 1500, with some blue rock lights on there. Yeah, man, that looks sweet. Love it. Jason, he's got a, looks to be a built, the Ram 3500. Has Sinister diesel inside of it. That thing looks sweet, man. I love it. And his Instagram is FDL Roofing. Make sure you guys go give these guys a follow on Instagram. And the next guy is Brandon Jackson. This guy, I seen his truck in person one time. We used to cruise the strip back up in Janesville, and I seen this truck one time, and let me tell you, that thing is huge. When I say a truck is big, this truck is massive. And his Instagram is amela_merps. Austin, I can't pronounce your last name. And his Instagram is Austin_Scoville22. And he's got an older Chevy truck. That thing looks pretty mint for the year it is. He's got tow hooks in the front. He's got the LED light bar. Some aggressive mud tires. That thing looks sweet. And next up is Levi Howard. He's got some, looks to be 22s or maybe 24s on his truck, and his Instagram is 608_Slowmax. So obviously with his Instagram being Slowmax, so I guarantee it's a Duramax. That thing looks sweet. I like what you did with the black and the white. I just think it looks so good on trucks. Levi Dix, he's got a Dodge Ram. I don't know if it's a Cummins or a gas truck, but he's got HIDs on there. He's got some forged wheels. He's got fender flares, and it's red and black. It looks sweet. And his Instagram is Levi Dix. And now we got the next guy. We got Spencer, and his Instagram is Shamrockshrew16. Everybody's Instagram's gonna be popping on the screen here, so if I can't pronounce it, well, you guys, it's gonna be popping up on the screen. And he looks like he's got a 24 valve or a 12 valve Cummins extended cab. And yes, it's long box. That thing's sweet. Like it. I like the wheels and the tire setup. It just goes perfect with that truck. That's sweet. And he's got his tow mirrors up. That a boy right there. And we got Ryan Research. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. And he's got a Chevy Silverado. Looks to be a 1500. And his Instagram is White Diamond Silverado. And the last guy, we got Jacob Primore. He's got a beautiful LML. Not an LML, but a LOY. My bad. I'm so used to talking about my truck. But that thing is sweet. And I can see in the picture when I zoom in, he's got maybe 24 forces on that truck. I love the red, and color matched the mirrors. Color matched the track bars on the bottom. Everything. That thing is super clean. I love it. And that's going to be the end of the video. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All Hicks Boys Media. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. And stay tuned for the build of this beast. It's going to be awesome.